Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making hummus. This Mediterranean puree based on chickpeas is delicious with some flatbread or just as a snack. Traditionally, we use a sesame paste called tahini in hummus, but I choose to let it out. This way you get a less expensive and less calorie hummus. It's really simple to make, so let's start. First off, you drain and rinse your can of chickpeas and throw it in a blender. Add lemon juice and some tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is smoked garlic. It's fantastic stuff and really makes a difference in flavor. If you can get your hands on it, use it. Otherwise, just use regular garlic. Cut it roughly and add it to the other ingredients. Some sea salt and next up your spices. I use something called Vadouvan. It's a spice mix from India that contains a blend of spices and herbs that I'll put in the description box below. Just use cumin powder if you can't find this one, or experiment with your own spices. Add some spoons of water to loosen everything up and let the noise begin. Lastly, drizzle some olive oil over the top. And there you go, your homemade hummus. Thanks for watching, enjoy baking, and see you next time at your dinner.